god, this is like the best cleanse like I've seen. It's amazing, like it's amazeballs. I haven't done any cleanse better than this one. Most videos actually say that people lost about 10 kgs. Okay, this is a bit TMI for everyone that watches. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sheila, also known as Madame Bay. So today's video is about a salt cleanse. I think it's called the salt water flush. Basically, when you hear a cleanse, it means something that is going to clean you out. And this one is way different from anything I've done before. I know I've done a previous video on sodium bicarbonate with water and lemon. That particular one, I used it, the first time I used it, it worked, and it didn't work after that. And I've actually come to realize that it works for some people and doesn't work for others. And as I was doing my research on the salt water flush, I found out that it does work for some people and for some it doesn't work, but it mostly does work. So when you, of course I said that earlier, like when you talk about a cleanse, it's something that flushes you out. This is perfect for Christmas season, guys. Like, it's Christmas season, you eat too much, you overindulge. First of all, I would like to say, you can't do it all the time. I mean, and it's not something that is going to help you lose weight. It's not like a quick fix if you want to lose weight. You can use it if you want to fit into a dress or something like that, like the next day, or if you ate too much and you need to like flush it out and then start afresh. This is definitely one of the things that is going to work for you. I don't know if you've ever tried taking one of those Chinese slimming teas. They like wash you out, but this, the way it works, it like, oh my god, it is amazing. Where is my phone? Okay, I left my phone in the room, but I kind of took like notes on how this worked. So first of all, you need salt and water. And when you talk salt, I have three kinds of salt here. I have this salt, and I have this pink Himalayan salt, and I also have this coarse sea salt. This is the salt that I use. So when you're looking for the salt to use, you have to make sure it's sea salt. Some people definitely would want to use like the pink Himalayan salt, but when you're using this pink Himalayan salt, you have to like look at the ingredient. Like, this particular one is what I wanted to use, but then when I read on the packaging, it has may contain milk, soy, or whatever, so you don't need anything like that. This other one, this one is good. Oh, why is it pouring? This one is good. It has no additives, so it's really good. I didn't use it in particular, but I went for this gray, I think it's coarse salt. It's from France, and it has nothing added. It's basically sea salt. What you're doing is like ocean water. It has to be the same as ocean water, so you have to use like natural salt, and what it does is amazing. It took exactly 20 minutes for it to work. So what you do is like get a liter of water. I'm going to show, after explaining this to you, because when I did the sodium bicarbonate video, I got some of you guys asking me to show you exactly what I did. I'm not going to take this because I did this 2 days ago and I cannot take it again. It is so gross. It is gross. It's like basically salt water. So what I did was boil some water. You can do it with cold water. Me, I preferred warm water, so I boiled some water and added 2 tablespoons. I did a liter of water and added some lemon for taste, but it didn't even help. It's gross. And it's advisable to actually take it all at once. You can't take it through the day. For it to work, you have to like take it all at once and chug it in as fast as you can, because it doesn't have the most pleasant taste. You have to like take it all at once. If it helps, just hold your nose or use a straw or something and just chug it at once. Most videos actually say that people lost about 10 kgs in 2 hours or whatever. Dude, that didn't work for me. I did flush and I lost around 4 pounds in total, 4 or 5 pounds in total, but that was over a course of 24 hours. And in 2 hours I had lost actually like 8 pounds, but those 8 pounds is mostly water weight. It's flushing out water weight. It's not making you lose weight. That's what you should know. So you're just flushing out what you ate yesterday and just emptying your bowel, basically. That's it. After 20 minutes, the first sign was my stomach was grumbling, and then after it started grumbling, 25 minutes, guess what? Okay, this is a bit TMI for everyone that's watching, so you have to like be ready for what I'm about to say. I wanted to throw up at the same time. Shit, like it was some messed up situation. Like, how can you do both at the same time? So the first round I went to the toilet and it was like normal poop. like just normal. And then I was like, oh, so this is how it works. Oh, guess what? 1 hour later, I think not even an hour, 40 minutes later, now this time it's like you're peeing from your ass. That's why I told you it might be too much information. If you're one of those people that get grossed out quickly, it's like you're peeing from your ass. Like it's okay. I actually like, don't judge me, I actually like proper bowel movement, so that was like, ooh, easy peasy. Oh my god, don't judge me for saying this, but yeah, it was like peeing from your ass. You just like pee, and then it's over. It's not painful, nothing. So when you're doing this, make sure to stay home, and you have to do it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. After your workout is actually better. So I decided to do it after my workout because I was so scared of how it was going to work, if I went to the gym, how it would be. But it was actually so nice. So I went to the toilet like maybe 4 times, but the last 2 times were not as intense as the first 2, and then the second time I threw up. Like, of course I didn't throw up food or anything, it was just water. It was just the salt water. Oh my god. The point of this whole cleanse is to just clean you out and take away all the water weight. And I read somewhere, I've been doing research on it, it's really healthy, and you can do it within, you can do it maybe once every week or once every 2 weeks. It's not advisable to do all the time, and it's not advisable to use it as a weight loss mechanism. This is just to help clean you out and start over. So basically, if you want to like start a new diet and want to like maybe the next day, what you do is just clean yourself out and then wait. After doing it, you have to wait a couple of hours before you eat. So that's what I did. I waited so I did it around 11 in the morning, and I had my first meal at 6 in the evening, which was of course a healthy meal. But yeah, so yeah. And also for some people, the reason why it doesn't work is because your diet is messy, or you need to change the salt that you're using. But basically it should work. Like it's the best cleanse I've actually tried. It's better than the sodium bicarbonate I did in my previous video, but if you're interested, just check it out, because the sodium bicarbonate worked the first time and it did not work as intensely as this one. But the intensity is actually good. It's not one of those things that make you feel bad, although some people it did make me feel weak for about 2 hours, so I took a nap. So choose a day that you're going to stay home to do this, so that whatever effect it has on you, you have like a whole day to rest. Anyway, let's head over to my kitchen and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very easy actually. So just in case you didn't see the salt I was talking about, this one has no additives, so it's perfect. This one, on the other hand, it's pink Himalayan salt, but it says it contains milk and some other stuff, so I didn't use that. I went for this one. So basically what you do is use 2 tablespoons. And I already have a liter of water already measured out, so I just pour that in, let it boil. After it boils, just add some lemon, and that's it, and just drink it. So you can see how easy and simple it is to make this flash. Very cheap, very affordable, very easy, very fast, very quick, very effective. Anyway, that being said, before I leave, my boot camp is starting on 7th January, and if you guys want to join, I'll leave the link in the description box down below. And if you feel like you need to get more information on the boot camp before you sign up for it, I will also leave a link to the free webinar next week where you can come and know more about the program. And if you want to join, you can join. Just so you know, there are limited spots, so sign up now, or maybe after the webinar, whenever it is you're comfortable. The reason why there are limited spots is I don't like to work with a very large number of people. I like to work intimately with people, like just to get to know each other one-on-one. So I don't take on big numbers, I just take on a limited number. This time around I'm taking on 50 people. We'll be in groups of 10, 10, 10, just so you can motivate each other. But anyway, I will see you there. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate that you watch these videos, and I hope you find them helpful. And if you did and you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell right next to it to be notified when I upload a new video. As always, spread the love and